are going to learn about our five senses. So children, there are five senses. See. So children, there are five senses. First is sight. Children, we can sight with eyes. Second is hear. We can hear with ear. We can hear with ear. Third is smell. We can smell with nose. We can smell with nose. Fourth, taste. Fourth is taste. We can taste with tongue. We can taste with tongue. Last one is touch. We can touch with hand. We can touch with hand. So children, we will recall it once again. We have five senses. First is sight, hear, smell, taste and touch. We can sight with eyes. We can hear with ear. We can smell with nose. We can taste with tongue. We can touch with hand. So children, we are going to do one activity that is based on the sense of touch. Okay? So children, I can touch with my hand. See, I can touch with my hand and you can also touch with your hands. Okay? So children, here the chart of my sense of touch. Children, I will show you the different type of touch. See, I can touch with my hand this scrubber. See, it is rough. It is rough. Next, I can touch this rubber and it is very smooth. It is very smooth. Now, I can touch this plastic card. I can touch this plastic card and it is very hard. It is very hard. Look. Yes, it is very hard. I can touch with my hand this scrubber. See, it is rough. It is rough. Next, I can touch this rubber and it is very smooth. It is very smooth. Now, I can touch this plastic card. I can touch this plastic card and it is very hard. It is very hard. Look. Yes, it is very hard. I can touch this clay and it is very squishy. It is very squishy. Look. Yes. Now I can touch this cotton. I can touch this cotton and this is very soft. This is very soft. Now children, do this activity at your home and it is not compulsory to take this kind of material. You can get something similar. I hope you enjoy this activity. Thank you. Now children, we will do one song. That song name is Five Senses. Okay?
Fantastic, fantastic, fantastic learning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 senses. 5